Hi and welcome to another Type With Me. In today's video I want to talk about pointer events. Ever needed to create something where you could drag with your mouse or needed to use the pointer event to see where the mouse is on the canvas? Well, they are improving this on the web. So, are you tired by using mouse down, mouse move, mouse up, touch start, touch move or touch end? Well, we have a solution for that. And that solution is the pointer event level 3. More powerful input. We have the pointer raw update. It's a high frequency update for low latency interactions. Then we have the that one in the blue. It's very hard for me to pronounce, so I'm not gonna do that, but that's also a very important one. It can be used for access batches events for smoother, more efficient input. We get the get predicted events for future positions to reduce precise latency. You can really predict where the mouse is going to be, but the mouse is not there yet, so draw into the future, which is nice, I think. And we have better support for the pen. So with the current API, what you need to do is having something like an isDragging equals false, and then isDragging equals true. If isDragging do drag, and then isDragging false. So now what we could do here with the new API is we can listen to pointer down, and then we can set pointer capture, right, on this event, and the e.pointer_id. This will always fire when we have a set pointer capture. And then here the pointer up, we release the pointer capture with the e.pointer_id. This will help a lot. We don't need to have that boolean anymore, and it's smoother and it's easier to develop and create dragging into your application, right? I also have a small demo where you have actual this one I cannot pronounce, predict and raw, and we have here the draw point that we are using right now, and then handle pointer move, where we have the e.clientX and so on, the normal things that we have when we are working with a pointer, right? And of course here we have the get predicted events, and here we can handle the raw updates, and here you see here handle pointer move and handle raw updates. Clear canvas on click when we click or when the pointer is down, and we just clear everything, right? And normally when we go up we should have somewhere let me check. Yeah, the pointer move, and here the pointer move, and this one where we do batches, collision events, batches, points, this one. Here we draw a point, which is just a raw update, right? It's actually the only things that we need there, right? And then we have some colors that we are using, and that's actually it. So yeah, let's see how this looks like in the browser. Right, so this looks like the following thing in the browser. You see here, that's the future, right? And you see the purple things are the future, or the predicted dots, right? So if I now move it, this is just a normal one. If I add the raw update, you will see that it's just the white ones, right? If I click here and I want to do the predicted ones, you'll see here that he is drawing some predictions there. And you see there as well, these predictions are just raw interpretations of what it could be, right? But not actually where we are, right? So if I go here, you see here a lot of predicted elements. And then this one, maybe I need to remove these and these then. To give you a little bit of an example of what could be possible with the pointer events. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit about it. I think it's a really great addition to the API. I really didn't like to have booleans like dragging through and dragging false and these kind of things. And these are all gone, which is great, right? So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.